Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This video is a training video that you use in the factory. Basically it's on a demo used one they use in the factory model of the 350E. Obviously they put the bikes and scooters through their paces on their test tracks, etc. for thousands of miles. So then they do training videos so the actual dealers know how to do things if and when they need to do one, but obviously you never have to change the ignition coil. This video just shows you the process of removing the seat to actually get to where the ignition coil is. Two bolts hold in place. Ignition coils nowadays are like car ignition coils, like they used to be in the olden days. As you can see from the photo, the electronics go to the ignition coil and the actual HT lead is attached to it. You don't have to take off the HT lead, they're just showing you how to remove and do a new HT lead as well at the same time. World motorcycle sales, which is a quick fact for you, in 2022, based on 84 countries, have risen in 2022 to 60.4 million units being motorcycles or scooters in 84 countries, which is plus 2.6% over the previous year and is the second highest recorded in history of motorbike and scooter sales. So after the COVID year, 2020, 2021, 2022 has been a bumper year. Well, I hope you're liking all the videos. Please like and subscribe and look at our playlist. Thank you for watching. This is Mad Mick signing off.